Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x to the power of 8 minus x square divided by x to the power of 4 minus x square is equals to 7, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as this is the exponent of this term is 8, and we break this 8 as x to the power of 6 plus 2 minus this is x square divided by this is x to the power of 4, and it will be written as x to the power of 2 plus 2 minus x square is equals to 7. And now here further in the next step we need to use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponent, we apply this rule on this and this term as well. Okay, so we apply this rule on both of these two terms. After applying this rule, it will be written as x to the power of 6 multiplied by x square minus this is x square divided by here we have x square multiplied by x square minus x square is equals to 7. And further in the next step we need to take common x square from here, and when you take common x square we get the remaining values are x to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by, from here we have when we take common x square we get the remaining values are x square minus 1 is equals to 7. And now you see here this x square and this x square are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get x to the power of 6 minus 1. So we rewrite this term as x square and its whole cubed minus this is 1, and we write this one as 1 cubed divided by here we have x square minus 1 is equals to 7. So here we need to use the nice cubic formula to the numerator term of the left hand side, and when you know about that the cubic formula, if you have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so after applying this cubic formula we write this term as here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we need to use the above cubic formula. So after applying this cubic formula on here it will be written as so first you have a minus b, the value of a is x square minus the value of b is 1, and again we have a square, the value of a is x square and its whole square plus ab, the value of a is x square and the value of b is 1, and plus b square, the value of b is 1 square, and it is divided by this is x square minus 1 is equals to 7. So here we need more simplification, and first you see that this x square minus 1 and this x square minus 1 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get this is x square and its whole square plus x square multiplied by 1 becomes x square, and this 1 square equals to 1, this plus 7, when we move it into the left hand side it will becomes minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as x square and its whole square plus x square, and 1 minus 7 becomes minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here first we need to convert this quadratic equation into the standard form. So for this we will just take here x square is equals to y. So when you take x square equals to y, it will be written as this will becomes here y square plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, so when we substitute these values so that our above equation will be converted into the standard quadratic form. So here you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, Second one is computing square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we factorize this quadratic equation, and we easily make the factors of this equation by breaking its middle term. So when you break its middle term, it will be written as y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0. So here we break its middle term, and now you see that here on first two terms we will take common y, and we get the remaining values are y plus 3, and here we need to take common minus 2, and we get the remaining values are y plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to take common y plus 3 from here, and when we take common y plus 3 we get the remaining values are y minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write y plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write y minus 2 equals to 0. So here first we need to find the roots of this equation, and you see that we have from here we get the value of y is equals to minus 3, and from here we get the value of y is equals to plus 2. So here we need to move backward, and we substitute the values of y backward from here, and the value of y is equal to x square. So it means that we substitute on both of these two cases by x square. So x square is equals to minus 3, and x square is equals to 2. So here our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we need to take square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here x is equals to, here you see that when we apply plus square root sign on both of the sides, we will be write here plus minus sign on any one of the sides. So here we write plus minus sign in the right hand side. Also you see that a negative sign appear inside the square root, so it will becomes here iota. So we get a square root of 3 times of iota. Okay, these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and from here these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to plus minus square root of 2. These are the other two real roots of the given equation. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and these are the two real roots of the given equation. And finally we have there are 4 roots of the given equation, and these 4 roots are plus minus square root of 3 iota and plus minus square root of 2. So these are the 4 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.